أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمد
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. You see, I would have loved to continue playing this, but because of copyright. You see, when you want to bite somebody's video, you need to bite it a little. If not, if I play it to like the end now, 1 minute something, you will not be able to see it. I discovered in Islam there are some people that know how to use the word of Allah. They know how to use the word of Allah. And when they use it for prayer, it commands whatever they want, whatever they want. That word of Allah, when they apply it, there is a way they apply it. It commands what they want exactly. Like, from example, when children are being born, you see doctors struggling, beating them, they want them to cry. They want them to cry. They start beating them, slapping them about. But you can see, like, let's watch this video again. You can see when he started singing that this baby was sleeping. This baby was sleeping away. One day I asked a doctor, I said, why do you guys always make these babies, immediately they are born, you want them to you want them to cry? They say, yeah, because sometimes you leave them, they sleep away again. You understand? And you can see when he started reciting the Quran, you can see the baby cried. That's exactly what the doctor wanted. He wanted the baby to cry. He didn't want to struggle with, beating or slapping. My main point here is that there are people that know how to use the word in Quran. They know how to apply it. They know how to apply it. It will give them the result, exactly the result they want. Quran is deep, and there are people that know how to use it. Like other doctors, like they beat them. We see it on social media here. But this Muslim brother, a doctor, decided to apply Quran, and the baby reacted. After reacting, the baby now, went back to normal sleep. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video.